How to recover a Gmail account without phone number and recover email. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover a Gmail account without phone number and recovery email. First, go to your web browser. Here, search for Gmail Sign-In. Click to open this website. Now enter your email or phone number. Tap on Next to continue. Now enter your password. As you can see, our entered password is wrong. Now open a new tab in the browser. Here, search for your problem. You can recover your password by following these steps given on your screen. If you still can't recover your account, you will need to create a new one. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.